Good morning, lucky people. How are you? So, today I want to discuss how you can be rewired after you get retired. You see, suppose a scenario. Just think it is 31st of May and you are getting retired, and that day is for jubilation. All of your staff is there to garland you, to give you bouquets and everything, and your team comes home to leave you at home, and at your home people are waiting for you. There is a party going on that you have retired after a significant 30 plus years of job, and you are now retiring from the job which you have excelled in and achieved lots and lots of things. So on 1st of June in the morning you get up, and there are almost 10 to 12 hours free for you. You will say that what I will do, I will enjoy my life, I will do whatever I had left, which I was not able to do in my job. But the point is, how many things you have left during your job? You may have left few visits to different places, you may have forgotten to see what serials you want to see on TV, and few things which you can name, or if you can make a list of the things which you want to do, it will last say only 2 to 3 months or 4 months or 5 months. So what you are going to do after that? You need a plan to get rewired after retirement. That is called retired to rewired program with balancing of wheel of life. So if you want to know more, please contact me and I will show you how you can get rewired even after your retirement. One thing I want to make very clear to you, that in Harvard University they have done a study that after retirement, if you are not active, if you are just have the laid back attitude, you don't want to do anything, you just say that you have done everything, then your life is just numbered. You may last 5 to 7 years on this earth after your retirement. And people who are working, who are doing something, like you don't want to earn after retirement, you say I've got enough money with me, I don't want to work for money. But work for some social work for giving back to the world. If you are getting some money with your work, do some charity out of that. Do you think about that? Have you thought about that? Just think. Connect with me for my retired to rewired program, and you will understand what you can achieve after your retirement. You can write a book, you can start a blog, you can be a YouTuber, you can be a guide, you can be a coach, you can be mastermind for the skills you have learned in your job. You can do anything. 58 or 60 is not the end of your life. It is the beginning of your golden era, which is called 50x life. And for 50x life, you need to come to 50Xcoach, that's me, and I will tell you how you can improve on your life after your retirement, how you can do the things you had always dreamt of in your job time or in your time when you were busy in your corporate schedules. So this is the time to get rewired and revamp your life to live again and enjoy the life. So take a plunge. Let's plan retired to rewired regime, a big thing for you. Thank you very much. Take care, and you will get all the information about contacting me in the messages down. Please check, and you can connect with me on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Instagram as 50Xcoach. I am available there. And for your information, I have written one book also, The Responsible You, which will make you responsible and keep your family happy even after your death. So take care. Bye bye.